what's going on, everyone? I am back. Today is September the 14th, 2022. We're going to talk about CRO or crypto.com today. Yeah, this happened, and when it happens, you got to take note and you got to come in and readjust. I'm going to show you all what just occurred into the market in CRO and how we should be moving now. Welcome everyone to the channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I do not pump cryptocurrencies. I could care less about where cryptocurrencies are going to go. I just simply want us to be in position so that we can capitalize from it. So you guys want to join me, hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe. All right, now real quick, I did a price prediction in CRO all the way back here on August the 23rd, right? And I was telling you all, hey, I'm looking for the price to go up. Now, from outside the gate, or when I completed that video, this price prediction, the market in CRO did go up, but it only went up in 2 days following the video. So that was the only opportunity we had to grab some profitability. As you all can clearly see it, price in CRO has been trending down. And this just occurred into the market in CRO. That tells me that the market is going to continue to trend lower. Can you see this? This tells me that we need to come in and readjust our ideas of looking for price in CRO to go up to possibly of the market continuing to go sideways or continue to go down. Can you all see this? Without me pointing to you, I'm going to show you, but I want you all just to look at what we have in front of us right now. Can you see where the market was telling us that CRO's not going to go up? Just think about it. There's two things that the market has shown us that should have let us know, hey, you might want to let go of looking for CRO to go up. I'll give you a second. Go ahead and try it. All right, so now let me go ahead and show it to you. I'm going to create these arrows, right? I'm going to give you the arrows that substantiates we needed to get out the play. Okay. The first one is here. Okay. It's the first day. And then the second is on these 3 daily price bars right there. Right? Yes. Now you can add on another one that told us that the price in CRO was weak, and it began all the way here on this massive spread bar to where the market in CRO was down 8.5%. All of these are clues that we need to take notice of. They're there for that purpose, to help us and show us how we need to maneuver in cryptocurrencies. Everything gives us, every trading day that the market hits in the cryptocurrency space, it's another day for us to come in and reevaluate the situation. Are we still on course to see the market move the way we expected it to go, or is it changing? These 3 daily price bars is telling us you need to change. The first one occurred on August the 26th. The second one occurred here, September the 6th. Now, why do I say September the 6th? Okay. Well, again, this spread bar, the market in CRO ended the day 6.5% down, and the spread of this bar is about the same as what it was on August the 26th. And then on top of that, the market in CRO could not trade above the ascending line, the trend line which we created. That started back in 18th of June. That started on the 18th of June, this trend line in CRO. The market failed. And then you have these 3 days here. Okay. We have the 10th, the 11th, and the 12th that the market in CRO was hovering just slightly below this trend line. Like the market wanted to trade above that ascending line again. But each of those 3 days, we should have said, all right, it's not working. And then the next day, yesterday, price completely fell another 9%. It's all there for us. This is how we can minimize our losses and not just continually hold on to losers. We got to let this go. Because if we don't, we can continually see the price in CRO go down, which would therefore increase the losses. And we don't want that to happen. So if we were to get out right now, we're down 12%. Okay, it happens. Cut it out. So now, seeing that price in CRO is now trading well below our trend line, we should not be expecting price to go up. No, we shouldn't. Now, I have noticed that the market may have overreacted somewhat in trading across all markets, the stock market, even the cryptocurrency space. So we may actually see the currency, CRO, come in and try to bounce off this area right here. Okay, you see this, right? We can push this all the way back. So you guys can see how important it is going to be for us to see CRO hold 10, maybe 11 cents. It's going to be important. This is our area of focus. If the buyers continue to hold 11 cents, then the market is telling us, again, this is the buying area. Outside of that particular area of 11 cents, maybe 10 and a half, all the way back down to the low that started on June the 18th to 10 cents. Okay, those will be the next areas. Now, considering what occurred into the market yesterday, and especially as a whole, I usually wait because I want the market to shake off all of the fears, all of the nervousness that people were acting off of emotions. But looking at what occurred on the 2-day chart, this is a pretty wide spread. And for us to not think that price is not weak and CRO would be uneducated for us to think about. We should not be thinking that way. Charts matter. Price bars matter. And when we see these things happen, once they are created, we got to follow what the market is telling us. So outside of us seeing the price in CRO hold 11 cents, right? We need to expect continued downward pressure until the market changes, right? So this is CRO on the 1-hour chart. All right. And you can see already from a 1-hour perspective that buyers are approaching this cryptocurrency at 11 cents. So we may see a small pop initially on an hourly basis to where we can see the market and CRO go up. Right. But we may just hit point 11.113, 11.114 or 11.5 cents and then come back down. So that's how you're able to know how to scalp the market. So for us to run up to 11.5 cents, that's only 3.67% moving higher. And everyone's going to get caught off guard and say, well, we're right back into this bull market in CRO, or at least trading back up above that ascending line. And that's not the case at all. Okay, so yeah, on the hourly perspective, I do see some strength here. I do see how the market is amped to try to continue to trend higher in price, but we got to be careful of 0.11, 0.112, or even 0.113. We can see the market run up to those particular levels. It might hit 11.5 cents, but probably no higher than that. Okay. So let me go ahead and do this. The market is weak in CRO, definitely. But seeing how the market closed right there at 11 cents and how the market currently is finding buyers at 11 cents, I'm not going to put on a price prediction yet. We have to wait. We have to let the market come to us. Okay, it has to come to us. And it'll give us time. It'll tell us whether or not the buyers are continuing to buy the market here. It'll show us. Just like I've shown you on the 1-hour chart that the buyers are coming into the market now, but we need it to be a little bit longer because yesterday's drastic movement down of 9%, just a couple of hours of us seeing buyers is not going to be enough to confirm that the market is done with going down. All right. So I'm not going to drop on a price prediction here, but yet we just need to be on surveillance. We just need to continue to view and watch the market. Okay. And we got to learn how to do that. Like every opportunity is not a play. Every opportunity that we come and look at a particular cryptocurrency doesn't mean that we need to come in and buy. It doesn't. We only buy when the market is in our favor, when the probabilities are in our favor to profit. And what occurred yesterday, the market is telling us we need to wait. So maybe give it a day, 2 days, 3 days, and see if the buyers are still there around 11 cents. And because if they are, then that's when the market's going to lift and go up. Just like I've shown you on the 1-hour chart, like it's there. I'm seeing it being created. It's starting now, but I need more confirmation. Just a couple of hours is not going to be worth what occurred in yesterday's trading. So I just don't want people to get caught in the wrong position. So I'm just going to chill out on this one. I'm not going to drop a price prediction into the market in CRO, but I'm just trying to show you the change that occurred that would substantiate that the overall trend of seeing CRO go down is still valid. It's still here. All right. So that is it. If you guys got questions and comments, let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.